Hi Ramona, this is Jackie with Slutio. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert the file that Father sends you. So he sends you what is this when I download it? He sends you, I think it's an mp4 file, so it's a video file. So when we do videos on our website, so if I look at our Slutio University for a reference, under our help topics, we do some video information. So we recommend an mp4 or an MOV file be added using a player that is already configured across multiple browsers, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. But in reality, I think you probably want to upload these to YouTube like I did the first one that you sent me last week. So how's that going to work? If there's someone that's tech savvy that can help you with this, or if, I don't mean that as an insult, maybe you're more tech savvy than I'm aware. I would visit youtube.com or studio.youtube.com. Any Google account can become a YouTube account. So if you want to create a snmhays@gmail.com and use that for posting Father's emails, if you I think we have your domain name, so it would take several weeks to convert or give everybody a stn-church.com email address. That's a Google Workspace one, but it is a possibility if that's something that you guys want to accomplish in the future. But in reality, the first thing to do is acquire a either @gmail.com account that is a Google account, or we can transition to use the domain name for Google Workspace, but that's kind of its own can of worms. So the first thing is try to get an account that either you or if there's multiple people going to manage this, that they can all access this YouTube account. Second, once we get to the studio screen, I have several accounts that I have access to, so I could post to my own channel that is Jackie@slutiosoftware.com. We have our Slutio support one that I can post to, which is where I post most of our videos to. And that's where this one we posted, the one that's recording right now on my screen. And then parish videos. This is where I put that reflection that you sent me previously and uploaded it here because obviously we don't intend for there to be a lot of videos on this one, but occasionally a parish asks us to do this. So I'm going to choose create up here in the right hand corner and upload the video. Now I've got this on my inside my downloads already. So here's the mp4. I'm going to drag it into the screen and it's going to take a little bit to upload. Something that might be good to do is to double check to make sure that there's audio. There's occasions where when I post something, so I can hear Father on that one. Sometimes I'll record something and something has changed on my microphone configurations, and there's no audio. So double check that one. Fourth Sunday Advent. Whoops, getting a little ahead. New Year hasn't rolled around yet. So this is taking just a little bit to upload. You can see that here at the bottom of the screen. Because these are reflections, I can say yes, they're made for kids, but usually my default on the instruction videos, I say no. And then under the visibility, you would choose to make this public. So, which I guess I need to do as well. That way, we can make that happen. So this is happening here. Something else that can be done is that you can have a YouTube account and then you can give other Google users an account. So I used to be at a parish where there was a pastor and an associate pastor, and I helped them set up a YouTube channel. So instead of giving everybody the same password to one Google account, I was able to add managers or users, I guess, to the Google account. So it's kind of a separate step that I should have advised before uploading this, but while we're working through this, that's what I'm working through. So let me just go here and show you. I don't have it anymore, I don't think, but I used to be able to choose St. Joseph from all my channels as an option to post to. The other thing I can see in here, I don't know if I have a high enough access level on this one. I don't. Under settings over here on the left hand side, I can either add channels. Okay, that's not where I wanted to go. Under advanced settings, maybe? Okay, I'm not remembering at the moment where it is, but there should be an option to add managers or users to a channel. So here's Father's reflection. It's processing the high definition version. It's probably maybe just pick a version of a thumbnail that's just a little more flattering. That one's more flattering than that one. So we'll choose this one and choose next. And then that should save. We're going to copy the address here. I'm sorry, I should have set up something in the menu. I know we have the existing homilies menu item. Because that's tied to our podcasting system, I'm actually going to make a different menu item. So I'm going to leave that one. Oh, sorry, I was already here. I should have just done this. We'll still call this homilies. Maybe it should be called reflections. I'm not sure. We'll create reflections. We're going to create a new category. This part you will not have to do every time. This part should already exist moving forward. So we'll save and close that. And so again, I've copied this address of this video link right here. I'm going to create in the article manager, add new article. And this should be that last category since I just created it, homilies and reflections. And we're going to click the insert edit media button, paste that in there. We can center the video. Oh, it's unavailable because I haven't actually clicked publish yet. And then this was called sorry, I'm being lazy, but I want to copy this, save and close, and if refresh here, it should be on this page, and there it is. And maybe I don't have to have the word reflections in my article every time since that'll be a given moving forward. And there it is. So in summary, the goal is to upload these via a YouTube channel, unless you prefer one of the other methods noted here on the screen. Give shared access to whomever, and then post your videos respectively. I hope that makes sense, Ramona. Let me know what questions you have. I hope you have a very blessed Christmas. Take care. God bless.